India is prosperous. India is leading. India is future. To embark on a journey of futuristic innovation in crime investigation and prevention, the Government of India has established a unique institution for specialized education, training, research and innovation. Welcome to the National Forensic Sciences University, NFSU. Founded by the visionary Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, NFSU is a symbol of his commitment to excellence and progress.
This premier institution has established itself beyond frontiers of the nation and is a beacon of excellence in the field of forensic sciences.
Originally known as the Gujarat Forensic Sciences University, it has evolved into the National Forensic Sciences University with the status of an institution of national importance.
आज फोरेंसिक साइंस का महात्म्य बढ़ रहा है और वो सिर्फ पुलिस महकम के तक सीमित नहीं है जी। लीगल फर्टेनिटी को फोरेंसिक साइंस समझना पड़ेगा, जुडिशरी को फोरेंसिक साइंस समझना पड़ेगा, इवन हॉस्पिटल को भी फोरेंसिक साइंस समझना पड़ेगा। इन सबके प्रयत्न से ही फोरेंसिक साइंस का उपयोग क्राइम और क्रिमिनल को सजा दिलाने में बहुत काम आ सकता है और इसलिए हर राज्य में हमें संकलित और संतुलित व्यवस्था हर राज्य को गांधीनगर स्थित नेशनल फोरेंसिक साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी की और उसकी क्षमता आज दुनिया के 60-70 देश फोरेंसिक साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी का लाभ ले रहे हैं। हमारे राज्यों ने भी बढ़ चढ़ करके लाभ लेना चाहिए। ये पूरी तरह फ्यूचरिस्टिक टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन व्यवस्था है।
Today, NFSU stands as a pioneer in specialized higher education, dedicated to forensic and investigative sciences, an unparalleled institution worldwide. NFSU is one of the fastest growing university in the world, which expanded its horizons with its 8 campuses and 2 academies within a period of 3 years from its establishment. Other than its main state-of-the-art Gandhinagar campus, the campuses at Delhi, Goa, Tripura, Bhopal, Dharwad, Guwahati, Manipur, Pune, and one in Jinja, Uganda have been established. Along with more campuses across the country, the university is planning to expand its horizons internationally.
शायद भारत में पहली बार 2-3 जगह पर एक्सपेरिमेंट कर फिर भी मैं कहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं ही कानूनों को पायलट कर रहा था, बड़े साहस के साथ हमने एक निर्णय किया है कि 7 साल और उससे बड़ी सजा के लिए हर क्राइम सीन पर फॉरेंसिक साइंस ऑफिसर का विजिट हमने कंपलसरी किया। और ये फॉरेंसिक साइंस की रचना करने के बाद इतने कम समय में 9 कैंपस और विदेश में युगांडा में भी एक कैंपस बनाने का काम एनएफएसयू ने कर लिया है। ये बहुत, इससे ज़्यादा स्पीड से कोई यूनिवर्सिटी बढ़ ही नहीं सकती। हमें विश्वास है कि 9 कैंपस और हम 1 साल के अंदर चालू करेंगे तो देश के हर दूसरे राज्य में कैंपस अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे। और मेक इन इंडिया को भी फॉरेंसिक साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी सार्थक कर रही है, सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को भारत में ही बने।
The university offers more than 70 bachelor, master, doctoral and postdoctoral level academic programs and certificate courses through its various schools like School of Forensic Science, School of Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Management Studies, School of Pharmacy, School of Behavioral Forensics, School of Open Learning, School of Medical Legal Studies, School of Law, Forensic Justice and Policy Studies, School of Police Science and Security Studies, and School of Doctoral Studies and Research. Spanning an impressive 1,24,000 square meters, NFSU's Gandhinagar campus offers modern infrastructure with well-equipped laboratories, rich knowledge center, computer labs, multiple research and development facilities. The NFSU is into extensive research and development programs through its various centers of excellence like Center of Excellence for Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances, Center of Excellence in Investigative and Forensic Psychology, Center of Excellence in Cybersecurity, Center of Excellence in Digital Forensics, Center of Excellence in DNA Forensics, Center of Excellence in Nutritional Supplements Testing for sportspersons and many more.
The Gujarat Forensic Science Laboratory was well known across the globe because of its high level of expertise, because we were provided with cutting edge technologies, and also we were having credibility. These are the three important requirements of any forensic department. Looking to this, Narendra Modi ji, who was the then Chief Minister of Gujarat and presently is the Honorable Prime Minister of India, he, through his vision, I am surprised, he decided why can't we have a university to produce more number of experts. And he came out with this idea and he asked me and the then Home Minister of Gujarat, Sri Amit Shah ji, that you will see that we established this unique university. And then in 2009, it was established as a Gujarat Forensic Sciences University. And then in 2020, 1st October, it became a National Forensic Science University with an institution of national importance status and helping almost the entire globe in this area, because this is the only university in the world as on today as far as the forensic science is concerned.
To extend its activities worldwide, NFSU has established collaborations with more than 225 national and international organizations. NFSU being the only university of its kind across the globe, it is providing consultancy to national and international agencies in a big way. In terms of their capacity building, the university is dedicated to the future of its students, offering 100% placement assistance through a dedicated placements and career guidance cell, working tirelessly to secure placements for students worldwide. NFSU runs dedicated International Affairs Department to support international students, overseas law enforcement officials, security officials, judicial officials and others who come for training. Many international students from various countries come for study in this specialized university. National and international conferences, seminars and workshops are regularly organized for better outreach, acquiring knowledge, gaining wisdom, attaining fulfillment, all through the journey of investigative education. NFSU, a beacon of excellence and innovation, shaping the future of forensic sciences. Join us in this exciting journey of discovery and truth at the National Forensic Sciences University. NFSU, unearthing truth, shaping the future.